This is Tempson's Instruments IPO. We will use the IPO agent's filing evidence to test the business, financial quality, where the money goes, competitors and risks. This is education, not investment advice. First, the business. Thermal engineering makes temperature sensors, calibration equipment, electrical heating and specialized cable solutions. Projects and OEMs. About 69% of FY25 revenue came from projects OEM work, the rest from MRO business. Industrial end markets. Serves metals, power, chemicals and other process industries where temperature control matters. The financial checkpoint is revenue 378.53 crore rupees, profit after tax 62.56 crore rupees, and 16.36% PAT margin. DRHP FY25, revenue 378.53 crore rupees, PAT 62.56 crore rupees and borrowings 71.83 crore rupees * mean terms need final RHP confirmation. The offer is ~650 crore ~95 crore is fresh money and ~555 crore is offer for sale. Fresh money enters the company. Offer for sale money goes to selling shareholders. Where does fresh money go? Debt repayment. DRHP earmarks 55 crore rupees of the original 118 crore rupees fresh issue for borrowing repayment. 35.38 crore rupees capex. Electrical heating and specialized cable capacity are named expansion uses. Terms changed after DRHP. Fresh OFS values and price band in this chapter are provisional until a final RHP is published. Now competitors and valuation. The DRHP says there is no exact comparable listed peer. Final valuation must wait for the final RHP and price band. Balance the evidence. Watch out. Most of the quoted final issue is expected to be OFS. Strength, profitable DRHP business, 16.36% FY25 PAT margin. Watch out, final offer terms are not in the available RHP. Strength, fresh proceeds are directed to debt reduction and capex. Watch out, project OEM mix carries industrial cycle exposure. Strength, specialized thermal engineering products. For retail investors, the stated minimum is 15,000 * 50 shares times 300 rupees. Retail bids are capped at 2 lakh rupees and allotment can be a lottery when an offer is oversubscribed. Check the exchange pages and final RHP before making any decision. Let's recap. FY data, revenue 378.53 crore rupees, PAT 62.56 crore rupees, 16.36% PAT margin. Offer, ~650 crore *, fresh ~95 crore *, OFS ~555 crore *. Competitor lens, the DRHP says there is no exact comparable listed peer. Final valuation must wait for the final RHP and price band. Evidence, DRHP dated 29 September 2025, NSE Archive FY25 Financials, Objects and Peer Disclosure. * offer terms require final RHP verification. This is public source education, not investment advice or a buy or sell call. Read the final RHP, verify live subscription and consult SEBI registered advisor. Thanks for watching.